top hair off. Oh, it's okay, it is good. It's a lot better, yeah. So now my hair is tapered, feathered, it looks nice, textured. It took me ages to try and get the like shaggy feathered look. I just kept chopping into it. I even went on YouTube and was looking at how to do it. I don't have a comb, so it's not very helpful. So I've just been brushing my hair forward like this and then cutting at an angle and just kind of cutting into it just to take the harsh lines out so it's as feathered out as I can go. So there's a little bit like just on the front to just cut into a little bit more. I don't want to take too much off the front here, otherwise it will be quite short. So at the moment I've kind of done it so it is blending in with the fringe, so my bangs are going to grow out and it won't look so bad. So I'm just going to like cut into here. So now when everything grows, it should grow out all together. So just want to double check each side. So it's even. This side's a little bit longer. But I've done it so my parting's on the side. When I cut the sides, I did it with the parting in the middle. So hopefully we have a look and see if it's even. I think this side's shorter than the other, but it's alright. I'm just going to even that out. Oh, I missed a little bit of hair here. The sides of my hair. It's quite choppy. It's really hard to do it without a comb, so I definitely recommend you guys getting a comb if you're gonna do like the feathered look. But it's just a matter of blending it out and cutting into it. But this length is a lot better. It goes with my dreads. So I've taken off about 2.5 inches. And also when I wash my hair, it will have more body and flow to it, so because it's a lot lighter. Like instead of having all these top layers going all the way down here and then just weighing it down. So now I've got some layers in here. So there we go guys, that was me cutting my hair to go with my new set of dreadlocks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys!